Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure someone go support the EP. You wanna move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station? Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and yes exciting reason on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, don't know, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, post a share on the blog in truth. Viewers and subscribers, if you agree that Adidja Palmer was judged as Vybz Kartel, the dancehall artist, and not Adidja Palmer, the individual, more you tear off the like button, viewers and subscribers. If you agree that the state has wrongfully imprisoned one of our biggest living national treasures, a cultural icon, wrongfully and should be released, more you kick in the like button, viewers and subscribers. Viewers and subscribers, if you believe or if you are in agreement that local courts refused to release Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, because the state was unprepared to take accountability for the actions of its agents. Now let's get into the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. It is key to point out a violation of this nature. While it is almost impossible to seek recompense from a trial judge or even an appeal judge, whether it be monetary damages or even a public apology. Now, Vybz Kartel and his defense team, the Gaza Nation, have never stated that we want any monetary gain from this situation. We want the artists released. We want the precedent set that this does not happen to any other citizen ever again. Now, there are local commissions in place that could go after the judge and the prosecution, and that's the Judicial Service Commission. Because the function of this commission is to appoint and remove and also exercise disciplinary control over judges. But you know that though, because everybody did go to school at the Norman Manley School of Law, but now I say that more. But viewers and subscribers, this violation would also play a vital role in civil court, where the state could also be held accountable, and that is something where them did a dance round for years now, viewers and subscribers. Accountability, knowing that the state was at fault, and that could be any party in power at the time. So whether it was a case that the party that was in power when Vybz Kartel was initially arrested, and the party that is in power currently when this is filed, whichever party will have to deal with it, they are now in power. That is why it has always been stated that the state maybe, or the powers that be, wanted the teacher behind the bars, because not only of lyrical content, but for what he represented as an individual and as an artist. And what Vybz Kartel represented to the fans for the better part was freedom, self-awareness, mental development, meaning the teacher showed people that you are free to express yourself. As an individual, you should always see growth as a human being, whether it be physically or mentally, viewers and subscribers. The teacher should always say it alright to be a G and still read books, still educate yourself. And for the better part, some people can say that everybody don't know that. No. For most, the situation at hand outweighs future endeavors. So the fact say your immediate needs. Some people now focus on future endeavors, enlightening one's intelligence for future gain. No, people are talking about the matters at hand. No. Vybz Kartel, through music, viewers and subscribers, showed people say that is not the only way. Even in the music business, them show people say, yo, you don't have to sign to them label. You can go make one for yourself. You don't have to wait for them to help you make a name for yourself. You can make one for yourself and help other people. Which is something Bounty Killer was an artist that was known for doing to as well. And in truth and in fact, yes, we know if the teacher was to go that route, billions of JMD, Jamaican dollars, are owed. But that is not, and the state should be happy that the teacher is not pursuing that route, but only pursuing his freedom so he can get back to his family. It has nothing to do with financial gain. The teacher don't need them. The teacher's career as a dancehall artist is more lucrative than any other dancehall artist currently, and all dancehall artists are living comfortably. Ask them. All of them are live comfortably. Ask them. They don't run for status in the music. Them thing up, and them don't need no ladder. All we're saying is that an injustice was done, and not just in the case of fairness, but in the case of civil liberty. We need this injustice corrected. We need the precedent set that this does not occur ever again. And that are just the simple facts of the matter. People have long asked though, what could be, the recompense for the judge? Well, as I said, the trial judge, viewers and subscribers, even though the Judicial Service Commission could have, exercised disciplinary actions, he's now retired. So they will have no control over that. Plus, remember, you have to prove that a judge acted outside of his jurisdiction. Means they go beyond his powers in court to achieve or to give out the sentence or whatever the case may be. So the fact that the trial judge has retired, now if now I wonder about the appeal court then, who chose to uphold the conviction. Well, the president of said court has been relocated, no longer a judge of this sovereign land, but still has his license to practice law in the Caribbean. So he's a judge in a different country. Not sure if our Judicial Service Commission's reach is that long. We don't know if them can charge somebody or reach out or sanction her. We don't know. We have never seen it done. So what I mean by precedent set, we have never seen it done. So for the better part, some would say the appeal court president has left the island as well. Now, the Judicial Service Commission, I'm not sure if that specific commission has any power over the ODPP. Not sure. In truth and in fact, what was focused on in this research was basically its control over the judges, whether it be resident magistrates, Supreme, Court of Appeal, and all other judges, basically. All judges. So that's what was focused on for this topic, viewers and subscribers. We're going to do some more research on that and make them know what I want. The people might ask, they must say who can be held accountable and which entity can we look to for push. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, as you say, all judges tied to the case. But not all. It was a 3-judge tribunal and the appeal. But you don't know the president presided over that matter. And I think he did have some level of dominance over everybody else. I think one person even said he should have been released. And I guess the president and someone else said no. You know what I mean? So, you know that go. There was one other person. We don't know what the case is going to be on that. We do, however, know that freedom is a must. And the Privy Council viewers and subscribers that soon. That's why some people say must look forward to what take place worldwide. To see some form of ease or some form of normality returning worldwide. And then we can look forward to see what the teacher released, viewers and subscribers. Because the card of them play. It was a calculated move on the part of the office by saying, no, make the individual come here. For whatever reason. But citing that the individual did not want to travel all this way. Them know say this was a worldwide situation. And that would have mean say him wouldn't want to travel for now. That's how them did a bank plan. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminded, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reasoning, and of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there to drop a like on the blog for me like we're here, but a share on the blog. In truth, share icon is in close proximity to the like icon. Tell a friend, tell them sister, and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reason via the comment section. You know the something go out, move settings fam, and we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course, we no live, love, and prosper until we reason again.